Hello friends, we discuss topic C++ and unit function in C++. Firstly, we study what do you mean by function. Every C++ program have its own function is called as a main function. That main function in C++ is because every C++ program is executed by main function. That means every code of C++ is executed from main function, so that it is known as a main function. So whenever the main function divide, that is subdivided into its module or block, then it is called as a subfunction. That means main function create the subfunction. So definition of main function is a by default function in C++. And what is subfunction? The function is created by main function, that is a division of main function is called as a subfunction. So that subfunction is defined as such as a self-contained block. What I can say, a function is called as, that is subfunction is called as a self-contained block which return separately from main function. How it is do with C++ practically, I tell here that here the every C++ program is begins with header file iostream.h hash include conion.h void main. Here void is return type of main function, that is no return type of main function. Then this curly open curly brace and close curly brace is called as a block, and that have contain the block of statement, that is block of statement of main function. Here main function have subfunction, and this subfunction have its own prototype, that is there are three terms of subfunction. First term of function is called as a function prototype. Second term is of subfunction is called as a function call, and third term of function is called as a function definition. The function prototype is declaration of subfunction. What I can say, the function prototype is nothing but it is a declaration of subfunction. It is declared outside the main function or inside the main function, such like this: void add int a comma int b. Here it is called as function prototype. What I can say, it is called as a function prototype. It is declared outside the main function or inside the main function, that is it is declared such as like this. Here as like this. This is also called as function prototype. The function prototype is nothing but a declaration of the subfunction which contain its return type. Here return type of subfunction is void, it is also int, double, char, etc. And in that function argument list, here two argument a and b of integer type. Then code of this function, I declared a and b. Here I can take these two values, in a, b. Then I call this function add a, b. This statement is called as function call. The first term used here, function prototype. The function prototype is a declaration of the function. It is declared outside the main function or inside the main function. Then second term is called as function call. The function call is a statement which is in main function body and which have contain a function name and argument list. It is called as a function call. That means the main function call the sub function and the control is goes from main function to the sub function. Then I close here the main function. Then third term of the function is called as a function definition. The function definition is nothing but what sub function is do. That definition is called as a sub function, which is written separately from the main function and outside the main function. That means this is called as function definition. This is called as function definition. What the function do? Here the function do addition of two number in C is equal to a plus b, C out slash n, sum equal to and C, then close. I execute this program. Here no errors. Then I run this program. Two values I have entered. Here sum is demonstrated. Here whenever I can clear the screen, then your screen is cleared whenever executed, as like this. Such like this is called as main function, this is called as function prototype, and this is called as function call. The function sub function have return type. Whenever the sub function have return type such like as integer, then I compile this program. Then there is show one warning. What is warning? Type mismatch and function should return a value. These are the two errors. Why it is come? Because function sub function have return type. That means I give here return 0 and here int. Then I compile again. Again main function cannot return a value. A function should have return value. So whenever I give return 0, that means it is same like as a void, so that there is situation to give this function as return 0. And whenever the function cannot any return that is int, double, then some error are come, and these are warning errors. So there is best way to declare a main function as void, and these are also void. There